Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I just wanted to sit down and have a little chit chat with you guys. As you can see from the title, it is a little bit different. It's not really capsule wardrobe based, but I feel like this definitely goes into my ethos of low consumption, buying less clothes, living with what you have, and just wearing what you already have. And I watched a really good Instagram video today by Marissa Peer. She's a hypnotherapist. But in this video, she was talking about why we always want more. And her theory was basically we want more because we feel like we're not good enough. So like the more we have, the better we feel about ourselves, or the better we think we'll feel about ourselves. And I feel like for clothing, this is a massive one because it's your physical appearance. It's how you present yourself to the world. It's how people perceive you. And it's kind of like an extension of your personality, an extension of yourself. And I totally get how we get caught up in, oh, if I buy this blazer, and wear that to work, people will take me seriously. Or, if I buy this nice slinky dress and go on a date, this guy or girl will think I'm hot, and think I'm more lovable. Things like that. Like, I definitely have noticed times in my life where I'm buying something that I think someone else will like very consciously, or I'm buying it because I want to completely reorganize my wardrobe because I want to just have a completely new image. I think it's really important to remember that just because we dress differently doesn't mean anything in our life has changed. Obviously, sometimes we go through personal changes and, personal developments, and that does reflect in our wardrobes when we start buying different styles or different colors or just different kinds of items, and that's totally normal. Our style is going to grow as we grow, but it's when we're trying to do these like transformations that I definitely can remember times even in my teenage years when I always just wanted to give myself a makeover, like as if me wasn't good enough, or one little change wasn't good enough. So I wanted to dye my hair, and I'd get a new outfit, and I'd get like a new makeup as well, and I just wanted to like completely transform myself, and it never really worked. I would just be me with just a different hair color and some different clothes on, but at the end of the day, I was still the same person inside. And over the years, obviously, as I kept attempting these transformations, obviously nothing was changing if I was keep coming back to the same idea of, okay, if I buy this new outfit, then I'll be different. If I buy this dress, then my life will change. If I get this blazer, then I'll get this job. Things like that. It never works out like that. And I don't know about you if you've also experienced this. I'm sure a lot of people have, and I'm sure we've all realized at this stage that it doesn't work like that. But for some reason, we still keep trying. We still keep trying to achieve this perfection or this new self through consuming and through shopping and through buying new things. This doesn't just relate to clothing. Obviously, it can relate to so many things. But in Marissa's video, she said that a lot of her clients would be hoarders. And she said hoarders are usually people who just don't feel like they're good enough. And I feel like hoarding is probably a spectrum. Like, you don't have to be a full-on hoarder to be classed as a hoarder. I definitely accumulate too much clothes. Maybe not as much now as I used to, but it's still more than I want to. Every so often I have this realization that I have more than I want, but trying to break down with each individual piece to get rid of some stuff, it's just not as easy to, when I see the pieces individually, I want them because I feel like they add something to my life. But overall, I'm just like, there's too much. If you've seen some of my previous videos, especially the one I put up about different kinds of capsule wardrobes, I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it. And if you're interested. But I mentioned that I want to do a project 333 for my autumn capsule wardrobe. So this is when you take 33 items and you wear them for 3 months. And my reasoning behind this is because I just want to practice living with less. And also, you're not supposed to shop for the 3 months. And I really, really just want to force myself not to buy any new clothes. I can put myself on a bit of a spending ban for like a week or like a month. But if I see something, then I'm like, oh, but this doesn't count because it's such a good bargain. It's like, it's such good quality and it's only this much. And oh, I've had something like this on my wish list for ages, so I just need to get it now. Or thinking it will be like this amazing piece that will add so much to my life, but I have to get it right at this moment. And if anything is actually going to add that much value to your life or to your wardrobe, you can probably wait a little bit longer without it, because when you get it, it will be still worth the same. So I'm excited to not allow myself to shop for 3 months. I'm hoping that you guys will hold me accountable, because you are all my accountability buddies right now. And if anybody wants to join in, I would be happy to try and hold anyone else accountable just by creating some content on it and reminding you guys that Project 333 is ongoing. So I'm just going to start on the 1st of September. My autumn wardrobe will run September to November. So I guess 1st of September to the 31st of November. And then at the end of the year, it would be nice to treat myself to a couple of bits. So I'm going to try and save a little bit of money throughout that time of what I may have spent on random little bits and pieces. And then at the end, maybe coming into my winter wardrobe, I may be able to treat myself to a couple, 2 or 3 new items, good quality, hopefully, from sustainable brands, hopefully, probably at a higher price point than my usual pieces would be, but that's where I want to head with my wardrobe, is creating a really good quality, classic, timeless, kind of luxurious wardrobe. I would like a little bit of luxury in my wardrobe. I feel like certain brands that I really love, like Mother of Pearl, I have a couple of their pieces, and when I wear them I just feel great and it makes me feel like I have something special, but of course making sure that they're in line with my style and things like that, and they are an ethical, sustainable brand too. So comment below if you would like to join in either living with 33 items for the 3 months, or if you just like to join in on my spending ban, because I'll try and document this through video and through some blog posts, and I'm going to keep a journal as well on how I feel throughout it. If I get an itch to shop, I'm going to try and journal it out so I can kind of figure out why I want to shop, maybe where my thoughts are coming from, what kind of emotions I'm shopping from, because I am a bit of an emotional shopper as well as an emotional eater. Not a great combination. But comment below if you want to join me, or comment below if you just want to cheer me on, because I will need that too. I hope you guys know that you are amazing, incredible, beautiful humans without needing to shop, without needing to add new pieces to your wardrobe or new anything to your life, without having to add physical objects into your life. And I know, coming from me, because I've already said that I am a bit of a sucker for falling for that trap, I know myself that I'm worth more than those pieces, but in the moment I feel like it's difficult. You can always convince yourself that you need it for some other reason. So I think as well, over the next 3 months, I want to just work on some personal development, work on my mindset, work on kind of owning who I am and not needing a wardrobe to reflect who I am or to enhance it. It can enhance it a little bit, but I just want to be me without any clothes, not naked of course, but I want me to be me on my own. I don't want anything to have to prop me up, basically. So I've been rambling for 10 minutes. There is works going on in someone's garden outside, and it's super annoying having to stop and start talking. I'm sorry about the noise. I hope you guys enjoyed my little ramble. I hope this video might help some of you to tackle your own shopping, don't want to say addictions, but bad habits and bad triggers, because addiction is, I guess, bigger than this. But yeah, like I said, comment below if you've got anything to add, and I'll see you guys next week in a new video.